Hi. So in today's video, we will be discussing about how a 17-year-old boy started a furniture company that became a mammoth of a home decor industry that earns nearly $40 billion every year. The brand is Ikea and the 17-year-old boy's name is Ingvar Kamprad.
The name Ikea is a combination of initials of Ingvar Kamprad and his farm and village name Elmtarid and Agunarid, where he spent his childhood, thus forming the word Ikea.
IKEA's marketing strategies are a result of 80 years of tried and testing of multiple marketing techniques that it used to attract customers. So now let's understand some of IKEA's successful ideas.
Michael Norton, a professor of Harvard Business School, called upon few people and asked some of them to make origami frogs and cranes, and others were asked to wait outside. When the task was completed, people who participated and the non participants were made to put value on the origami art. Interestingly, people who created the origami kept the value 5 times more than the non participants. This is because the people who created the origami art believed that the creation actually had very high value. This is called the IKEA effect. IKEA products come to your house unassembled and they are supposed to be assembled by the customers. In this way, customers can perceive the furniture as one of their own creation and feel a sense of achievement for their purchase. Not only this strategy is brilliant from a psychological point of view, but also from logistics point of view, as unassembled furniture increases the storage space in the delivery trucks and significantly reduces the transport and storage cost as more number of deliveries could be covered in a single day.
Interesting, isn't it? But wait, there is more.
Most malls are designed purposely in complex layouts. When consumers enter a mall, they get overwhelmed by the number of stores and massive structure and lightings of the mall. So much so that they forget the reason why they came to the mall at the first place and starts exploring other stores, and this leads to unintended buying. This is called the Gruen effect. IKEA uses this strategy in its massive store designs. IKEA has a one way out design, making the customers walk the entire store of IKEA. Also, the furnitures are aligned in an aesthetic way that trigger your fantasies for a perfect home. IKEA also places small items along the furniture that you had not intended to buy, but because they add on to the aesthetic value of the furniture, you end up buying it. Also, you might have noticed use of white color repeatedly in IKEA stores. This is because white signifies a clutter-free, simple, and a pure environment around you. And this strategy soothes your mind while shopping. This is called retail therapy that makes you feel happy about visiting the store.
Now, the most important part of IKEA's strategy is the pricing part of the product. IKEA uses a strategy called decoy pricing.
Understand this. Suppose you are to purchase a car. Which of the following would you choose? A car without sunroof and without safety airbags for rupees 10,000. A car with safety airbags but no sunroof for 20,000, and a limited edition premium car with both sunroof and safety airbags for again 20,500 rupees. Here, majority of us would choose option 3 because the option is perceived as the most attractive deal, that too with a premium tag on it. But if second option is removed from the list, then the third option looks like a very expensive deal. So here, second option acts as a decoy, which serves the purpose of making option 1 and 3 more attractive choices for the customers. IKEA uses a similar strategy when they list their products. For example, a simple bookshelf would be for $40, a different colored or a different pattern product for 70, and a premium product slightly more than that, that is $72. In this way, option B acts as a decoy and makes option 1 and 3 more rational purchase. When I look back at the case study, it gives interesting insights about consumer seller relationship. In marketplace, there are two types of consumers. First, who buy for need based reasons where purchases are often justified because it includes critical source of livelihood, that is food, shelter and clothing. And second type is want based product that are often for societal validation, be it their expensive car or phone, and in our case furniture. So when businesses find a formula to create a want based product that consumers can justify for being affordable, high quality, and a brag worthy. It will enable the sellers to sell anything they want in the market, just like what IKEA has been doing for the last 80 years.